Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Good grief! Check out this tropical beauty. So this is the Bayside. This is over here at Future Homes in Hampstead, North Carolina. If you're building on the East Coast, definitely give Future Homes a shout. So this is the Bayside. It's right at 1,500 square feet. Now what is unique about this plan, even though it's only a two-piece or two-module plan, that front porch is a factory included front porch. We don't have to worry about building that on site. Obviously this model is on pilings. I don't do this very often, but hey, it's cool to see, right? Got your elevated compressor and all that stuff. We have done one in our history. It's obviously not as popular being in the triad part of the state. But let's get in here and take a look, guys. All right. Got that factory included porch stretching completely from side to side. Got your rocking chairs overlooking the water, or a beautiful view. Be hard to beat, right? I love the all glass front door. I'm all about natural light. Transom window above it. The Carolina blue siding. Beautiful. $1,500 square feet. You are seeing the optional 9-foot ceilings today. Can lights out the wazoo. We wire and brace every room for a ceiling fan, always. Vinyl plank flooring in the main spaces and wet areas. Check out this living room. Plenty of space for furniture and sectionals. And then we get into the dining area. I love the detail in the ceiling, kind of that coffered feeling, or beams, whatever you want to call them. Really, really good size dining. Here's me looking back at that front door. The master's to the left here, but let's rewind a little bit and knock out these two spare bedrooms. Bath 2 straight ahead. Transom window, tub shower combo, cultured marble tops, cabinets, pull-out drawers. To my left is bed 3. Love that crown molding throughout. You notice the vents are in the ceiling. I get a lot of questions about the vents being in the floor, the ceiling. Long story short, it can be either way. Okay? Here's that closet space. Very typical spare closet. You are seeing the flooring throughout today, so you can always pay extra to run the flooring in the bedrooms as well to match it up with the main space and wet areas, like I mentioned. Check out that casing around the doors, the detail in that. Beautiful. Seen a lot of this here lately, wrapping that island in shiplap. Absolutely love the double window over the sink. Beautiful. Big pantry cabinets there. Double pantry cabinets. The full ceramic backsplash ran to the wall cabinets there. Big farmhouse sink. Not only is it a double window, but you got transoms over that double window, so it's a double whammy. Another storage closet here. This would probably be used as a pantry in real life. Some form of a pantry. And then here's that master bedroom. double door closet. You can generally make all of the closets double door. I've learned people like it to be able to access these corners. There's your water heater access panel. All of our windows comes with screens. And here's that master bath. 4x6 ceramic shower. Call that a $3,500 shower. There's me. Cultured marble tops that we pointed out in the last bath. All right. Freestanding toilet. I do love the window over it, getting in that natural light. And then you do have a linen closet. Good space there. Lovely. All right, guys, so that's it. I am going to show you that floor plan real quick. Again, this is the Bayside. Your front door is all the way on the far right. Again, this porch would be included in the base price. Obviously, the back door, whatever comes off that, would not be included, but that is what you walk today, and that is 1,498 square feet to be exact. So again, my name is Shields McEwen. I am with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. We build in that central region of North Carolina. We don't do the coast or the mountains. But today, we are at Future Homes of Hampstead. They do build. They are primarily on the east coast of North Carolina. So if you're gonna build at the beach, check them out. Anywhere else, get with me. But thank you guys for all the subscriptions and likes and comments. Please comment if you have a suggestion or want me to do more or less or something, or speed it up, slow it down. I'd love to hear what you think. I hope you're enjoying them. Remember that playlist tab. I've got everything sorted into playlists so you don't have to search through all of my videos. Stay tuned, guys. Every Monday and Thursday, I have a ton of stuff on deck for you guys. I cannot wait for you to see some of the stuff we are finishing up. Until next time, thanks.